Welcome back to my channel. Today I will show you how to delete your TikTok account permanently. So don't waste your time. Let's get started. First of all, open your TikTok official app and then tap on down right corner just profile and then tap on top right corner just three line button and then tap on just the last option, settings and privacy, and then tap on account. Now tap on deactive or delete account and see here. Now you delete account permanently and then select otherwise skipped and skip now and then tap on this box and then tap on continue and now continue. Check your Gmail account and input code number. See here, this is my Gmail account and the code number is 909912 909912 and then finally tap on delete account. Now tap on delete account. I hope finally delete your TikTok account within 30 days. If you reactive your TikTok account, so log in within 30 days. Otherwise, after 30 days, your TikTok account already permanently deleted. If you found this video helpful, so please subscribe to my channel for another important video. Thank you. Bye bye.